Welcome to Auntie Saniye's recipes. We have stove-top roasted potatoes with seasoning on our menu today. Here are the ingredients. 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, some salt, 5 potatoes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's start with peeling the potatoes. When I finish one, I will immediately put it in a bowl of water so that it doesn't get discolored. I will repeat the same for the rest. Also that way, we will get rid of the starch. Here, I peeled this one too. I have finished peeling the potatoes and now I will chop them. As these potatoes are quite small, I will just chop this one in quarters. This one is even smaller, so I will chop it into 2. This one needs to be cut into 4 pieces. I am now taking the potatoes out of the water. It seems I skipped this one, so let's chop this one too. I am placing them into a bigger bowl as I will season them now. Let's pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil on them. Let's now add a teaspoon of hot pepper flakes, a teaspoon of paprika powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of dried oregano to it. Let's also sprinkle the salt on it. I am mixing everything now, so that all the potatoes get covered with the spices. Let's grab the frying pan now. I have this double-sided pan, which I will use for this recipe. You can use normal frying pans too with a lid. I will let it cook for half an hour with the lid on the lowest heat setting. Then I will check it if it needs more cooking time. It's been half an hour and it's fully cooked. They turned out great and super soft thanks to the steam inside. Enjoy!